The irony is, I have it out. I try to show as much as I can on camera, and I was getting set up to show how to get back behind all of this, and I got it right out. So, kind of unpredictably. So, as you can see, this all sits like this, back behind this, and it's just held in by adhesive all the way around. Now, the G87 is a little bit different, and every model is going to be a little bit different on how the wheel well plastic all comes in back behind here. Most of the time, you can pull like 1, 2, and 3 of the bolts holding your wheel well plastic and kind of gap that back, and then you can easily get to the back of this. You get a tool in, like my right-angled pick, and you get in and you start cutting the glue free with it. You press from the outside and you press it in. Now, that device is going to work on just about any BMW that you own, any modern BMW. Now, in this case, with the G87, there's actually a substructure that you can see right here. So even when you pull the wheel well, there's this substructure, as you can see, is kind of coming along with the bumper. And I haven't had my bumper off at least yet. So I don't know what the substructure is or how it's bolted in, but it kind of makes it hard to get to. But remember how I mentioned you could get to this edge of it right here? You reach right here and you could actually feel this edge. So what I did was I reached back behind and I very carefully took my right angle pick, slid it in, and you can see where I hit the glue. Slid it in and then just pulled it down and separated this away, separated the reflector and the glue or the adhesive away from the body at the same time that I was pressing on it on this side. So I was pushing it back and away until I was able to basically get the whole thing loose. I got this whole lead edge loose, and so it's free. And then I could gap it, and this is where you want to pull 1, 2, 3 of the 10mm bolt out, because then you can actually get a little bit of flexibility in your bumper cover like this, and it allows you to gap it away a little bit from the structure that's back behind it. So I gapped it back behind, pressed the reflector in so I could see this lead edge, then I was able to get my tool in on this side and very carefully cut the glue away, because what I do not want to do is bang up the plastic or bang up my paint out here at all.